Hello everyone, this is Gordon Dunbar and this course is around problem solving. Part 1 will give you a brief introduction to the course. So it's broadly in 3 categories. Firstly, defining a problem, discovering the cause of the core conflict, and then exploring breakthrough solutions. In terms of the outline, there are 9 parts to this. The first being the course introduction and overview. The second is distinguishing between problem versus conflict and how that matters in terms of the approach that is being used here. And in particular the evaporating cloud method. This particular method was developed by Dr. Eli Goldratt and is encompassed in a set of thinking tools which he developed within a broader framework called the theory of constraints. So I'll go through that method and explain its approach, and then using a particular example explain its application. So with all problems, and in particular with the evaporating cloud method, a lot of it's based on cause and effect logic, and it's necessary in part 4 for us to explain how to test the logic so that it's robust and it can be relied upon. Part 5 will talk about assumptions that underpin why we think what we think, and you'll discover that assumptions are an important part in problem resolution, because often conflicts occur because we assume, or the other party assumes or takes a point of view which isn't necessarily based on fact, but in fact opinion or something else. So the course talks about that in some detail. And in particular in part 6 we introduce an example which is around real estate marketing and who pays. Should it be the house owner who pays for marketing, or should it be the agent? It's a simple example, but it's one that will help hopefully clarify how problem solving works. Part 7 starts to talk about identifying those invalid assumptions and what they look like and what it is that perhaps they are doing to the arguments that and why therefore they are so important. Part 8 talks about exploring solutions, and 9 is the next steps. So I hope that provides you with a bit of an overview, and let's get started.